is absolutely brilliant. We're actually at Poole Harbour and we're looking at the bikes that are here. This one, just the wheel, is a work of art. But now you can see that there's a skeleton driving it, and it's got 8 cylinders. Look at that engine, it's bigger than most car engines. The steering is obviously geared from there down to here and is set up on these push and pull rods here to do the steering. Suspension on there, really good suspension. Shockers. Just look at it. I just love that bike. I dare not guess what it cost. These are all lovely bikes here. These are gorgeous. But anyway, first of all, thank you for watching, liking, sharing, and ringing the bell. Special thank you to all those who have subscribed. And if you're about to subscribe purely because you've looked at the channel quite a lot, then why not subscribe, make an old man happy, and support the channel as well. Now this one's a Porsche, wouldn't you just know? Look, there's the motorbike front end, and there's the Porsche at the back. So that's what's driving the back wheels of this. The Porsche engine in there. I cannot imagine what that cost to cut up a Porsche or have it made. It certainly is a beautiful bike. The alternator up on the top there. 4-cylinder here, horizontally opposed. There's the coil. Distributor there. That's a bit old school, but never mind. Look at this beautiful colouring on the wing and on the box. I have to be honest, the gear stick has got a snake on it. Look at that. I still am finding it. Oh, there's a skeleton with a hat on it. I'm still finding it difficult to believe. I'm going this way. I still find it difficult to believe that a guy who's got a super bike, and I ask him, is it shaft driven? He says, I don't know, I just drive it. I find that a little strange. I thought these were all sort of enthusiasts, but maybe they're just enthusiastic about driving it. They're not interested. They've got the status for having a really good bike. So after that, it doesn't matter, I suppose. I don't know. I haven't got a clue. Another lovely Harley. Right, we'll just go down here and then we'll go and get some chicken flips. I don't know. They said they were, but we've been right the way along. I haven't seen them. Hello. There's one upside down here. Oh, it's a bike.
Acid, why do you need acid? Oh, yeah, yeah. It's only that.
For that year, 2019, R1, 25.
Here's all the bikers.
If you could make it. It's a good one. It's like this.
That's the girls' one. It's the young lady's bike. It's very nice, doesn't it? Two Harleys next to each other. Well, I think we're gonna, that looks like it. Looks like we finished it. There's two more over here. There's that lovely ship. And I think we're gonna finish there because this is, we've just about done the whole lot now. And after this, we're finished. So, bye from now from Poole Harbour. We're looking at this wonderful ship. There's the birdies. What are you doing, birdie? Hello. He keeps going down and then flies off again. I don't understand him. There. Well, I'm going to call this a day. Oh look, Poole Harbour watch. He's watching on top there. I'm going to take a photo of this beautiful ship now. And so I will say thank you for watching. And bye for now from Poole Harbour in Dorset, United Kingdom. There's Brownsea Island out there you can see. And I'll say goodbye for now. Bye everybody. This is the Rambling Rambler. Dave to his friends saying thank you.